नादरीन, आप देख रहे हैं क्राइम टाइम न्यूज। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त खैसर खान, ब्यूरो चीफ क्राइम टाइम न्यूज। हर तरह की खबर से जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और देखते रहिए क्राइम टाइम न्यूज।
ఎట్లా చేయాలి అనేది రవి గారు మీరు ఒకసారి కూర్చుంటే మీకు తెలియదు హ్యావ్ కాన్వర్సేషన్ he has his own medical college, so he can also support you in multiple ways. Suddenly become noisy. It's okay, it's okay. Our MP here is a very, very progressive man. So I'm not going to use of the channel process. We can use potentially have a special separation center. Even if it's small, we can facilitate it. Very good, even in the right kind of thing. When you using it more step, they're all good. This kind of smaller setup of vision, smaller setup. All your tools. These are all the tools. DSP on support this. Why not? For which what we have developed is computer-based machine learning model which will automatically diagnose much better than 90% accuracy, so that the patient need not wait. They get a result that okay, now my this is the next one where we always a pleasure seeing the kind of ecosystem and the kind of people, passionate people you've created in this wonderful institute. So all the very best to you. And if there's anything that the government can do, the state can do to support your laudable efforts, we'll try and do our best. Once again, my compliments, Ramam. I think the institute should have been named Purnima Ram, not the other way, right? Boss thing always comes to us like you pointed out. So therefore, compliments to you on this wonderful center for technology. And I hope many more innovations come from this center. I hope many more path-breaking discoveries which will help our children, which will help our people come from this center. Thank you very much. Problems. His intent is to create a digital health profile of the entire state. In that context, we have made a beginning in the right earnest. We are piloting in a couple of districts. I'm delighted learn from Vipin and yourself as well that your electronic medical records have already crossed 1 crore consults or 60 lakh unique records. Compliments to you, sir, on being ahead of us. But I want you to kind of join us in our effort also, because I think if you already have 60 lakh records, I should definitely latch onto them and use them to build up, further database. So I would request the local MP, Dr. Ranjit Reddy, particularly, because he's also somebody who's very, very keen to try new ideas, provide as much service to people as possible. I request him to collaborate with you in not only bringing Vipin to State Health Secretary and our team to understand how we can do a better job of the health profile, but also in Vikarabad, Ranjit Reddy garu మీరు కనుక అనుకొని వికారాబాద్ కేంద్రంగా ఒక కార్యక్రమం స్టార్ట్ చేసినట్టయితే సెంటర్ ఫర్ సైట్ అన్నారు ఇందాక, అది స్టార్ట్ చేసినట్టయితే దాన్ని ఎలా చేయవచ్చు, ఈ స్థానికంగా ఉండే పిల్లల్లో కూడా కంటి చూపు సమస్య లేకుండా ఎట్లా చేయవచ్చు అనేది కూడా మీరు కొద్దిగా గైడ్ చేస్తే ఐ బి గ్రేట్ఫుల్. యాజ్ ఆల్వేస్, లైక్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ, ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ఎ ప్లెజర్ షేరింగ్ ది పోడియం విత్ యూ. ఆయన చేసిన గౌరవనీయులు రామన్ గారు, వారి శ్రీమతి పూర్ణిమ గారు, ఐ థింక్ దే డిజర్వ్ అ బిగ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాజ్. The entire family of P. Prasad Eye Institute, and to the friends, to all my friends from the media. And part of many of your milestones now, I think I've been visiting your hospital. I was there when Srujana was launched, the Center for Innovation. I'm now here for your Center for Technology. I was also there, I think, on a couple of occasions when you had dignitaries coming from Government of India and elsewhere. So it's always fabulous, meeting you, talking to you, kind of energizes us, gives us more enthusiasm, and gives us, see how a gentleman who could have looked at greener pastures, who could have simply refused to come back to India, I think Pratibha would not in agreement, who could have simply stayed put in the United States after his education, after his professional degrees and everything, and after what was awaiting him there, chose not to and has come back to a very, ఇప్పుడైతే ఇండియా గ్లామరస్ 2021 సంవత్సరంలో కాదు, 1986లో ఇండియా ఇంత గ్లామరస్ కాదు, ఇప్పుడున్నంత గ్లామరస్ కాదు 35 ఏళ్ల కిందట. కాబట్టి ఆ రోజు మీరు తీసుకున్న నిర్ణయం అమెరికాలోనూ ఇంకో చోట ఉండకుండా నేను నా దేశానికి వెళ్ళి ఎంతో కొంత నాకు తోచినంత సేవ చేస్తాననే దృక్పథం ఏదైతే మీలో ఉందో, దట్ హస్ రియలీ లెడ్ టు a brilliant institution of world-class standards, without a question, in our own city, in our own country. There are very few institutes which I meet several people. I go to several institutes as part of my job. That's literally my fiduciary responsibility. But I can vouch for it. I can say it with a lot of confidence. There are very few institutions in India which can match up to LV Prasad standards. So my compliments to you on a terrific job. This might sound like a send-off message, but it's not. I know you're going to be around. I know you're going to be involved in a lot more activity, and I'm sure Pratibha will definitely mind it. But I'm sure he will continue to do what you don't at all, right? So therefore, my compliments to you, sir, on building a beautiful ecosystem. What I am amazed about today, meeting you guys, like Raman Garu said, and also like Dr. Ramesh pointed out, you have the complete ecosystem. Literally, you have people who can validate, you have people who can identify the pain points, you have the people who can produce solutions, and then the ability to scale. I think that's equally important. And what I would like to offer from this scale is, because I'm looking at all the products that have been manufactured here or that are being used here,